7, 8 pieces. Do you think I can do anything with those pieces?
Yes.
What do you think I can do with those pieces? Because they're amazing triangles. Triangles are amazing. Maria, what can I do with them?
So if you know the radius, and then if you have if you know the measurement for the radius, it would be the side of the triangle, and then the other side too. And then
Okay, so you're saying that the radius is going to help me with these triangles to calculate the area, Spencer?
Like if you arrange these like up, like one up, then one up, then one down, and one up, then one down, it approximately makes a parallelogram.
Is that what you're talking
And
about?
so, yeah, and so then at the top, like, so the side would be the radius because that's where it was.
So you're
and
saying
then
this would be the radius.
that would be the radius, and then that would be half the top would be half the circumference. And another formula for finding the area.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. You're going too quickly with this. Let's slow down just a little bit. I appreciate your help, and I understand that you get the idea of how to figure out the area, but we want to go a little bit slower on this to make sure that everybody gets it, okay? So you gave us right now that this is the radius. Does everybody see that? And it looks pretty much like a parallelogram. Remember my amazing parallelogram? Looks like it, right? So it says the 8 green pieces can be arranged taking on a similar shape as a parallelogram. So remember, what's the formula for a parallelogram? To figure out the area. So it equals base times height. So we're saying the height is what?
Radius.
The radius. And the base is what, Spencer?
Half the circumference.
1/2 the circumference. I'm just going to write sir on there. So as you can see here, if I
You can also tilt it.
Now, if I rotate this and measure this, we do it in something as simple as inches. That's 3 inches. And then if I move it over here, that is also 3 inches. I know it's not as approximate. There we go. So it's the same. So we know the height is going to be 3 inches. And then the radius is 3 inches. Can anybody, and I know Spencer knows this answer, we're trying to find the area of the circle. And we're going to use it by looking at these pieces here. Can anybody think of what formula you would use to find the area of a circle? Because we know that the height is the radius and the base is 1/2 the circumference. Does everybody agree with that and see that? Does everybody see how that is 1/2 the circumference? I want everybody's eyes up here to know that you see that that's 1/2 the circumference. Dominic, do you see how that's 1/2 the circumference? How we cut the circle in half, so we have 4 halves of the circle here and 4 up there. So we put it all back together. We have the whole circumference, we have half. Not sure I have all of you here. And then we have the radius. So what would a formula be? Alindra?